If there is someone in Bollywood जिसको देख के आप कहोगे कि he has great genetics to pack on muscle, especially in a younger lot, so I would say it is going to be Tiger Shroff. He is always in a good shape, not only athletic, but has impressive acrobatic skills as well. Here you can see he is in pinky shorts, and you can see full six-pack abs, vascular arms, proper delt and trap separation, and has a perfect V-cut aka sex lines. And here he is in the pool, literally looking like a fitness model, has a low body fat and looks insane. And this is from Jan 1st New Year, and he is wishing people for the new year. And again he has the same characteristic features like veins popping out of his arms, defined pectoral muscles and a full six-pack. This shows he is a disciplined actor year-round. And this is an old picture and you can see how well built his body is years ago. Of course he is ripped here and has a chiseled jawline, and he writes here, "The one and only time I ate ice cream before a shoot. Guess I should go back to my old ways. #Bachpan." And maybe this is from Heropanti. I don't know. And not only this, Tiger Shroff has pretty good strength numbers as well. In this post, he is literally squatting 180 kgs or close to 400 pounds in good form.
2
For 3 reps. And this is a throwback where he is deadlifting for 220 kgs or about 485 pounds. And his body weight is 75 kgs. It is almost 3 times his body weight. तो एक इंसान जो कि flexible भी है, he has pretty good physique, pretty good acrobatic skills, pretty good strength as well. So अगर आप मुझसे पूछें, I would say besides being a very dedicated actor, very consistent actor, I would say it is a sign of great genetics. क्योंकि देखें कितने लोग ऐसे हैं जो कि 500 पाउंड्स की डेडलिफ्ट कर पाते हैं या इनफैक्ट 400 पाउंड्स के करीब स्क्वाट कर पाते हैं. Even with great genetics, you have to put in the freaking effort. For flexibility, you have to work on it. For acrobatic skills, for strength, for physique, आपको इन सब चीजों पे इनफैक्ट काम करना पड़ता है. So if somebody thinks कि just because they have good genetics, तो they don't have to put in work, नहीं, ऐसा हरगिज नहीं है. इनफैक्ट बहुत सारे लोग हैं, जब मैं जेनेटिक्स की बात करता हूं तो उनको गुस्सा आता है कि मैं इस पे क्यों बात करता हूं. उन लोगों को समझाने के लिए आई वुड लाइक टू शो यू टाइगर्स एब्स. जब आप टाइगर के एब्स देखते हैं, सो आप ऑब्जर्व करेंगे कि दे आर अनइवन, दे आर नॉट अलाइन. सो आपको क्या लगता है कि टाइगर डिडंट ट्रेन हिज एब्स प्रॉपरली? नो, इट्स नॉट द केस. दिस इज समथिंग व्हिच इज डिफाइंड बाय योर जीन्स. It's not like there are certain workouts for 6-pack abs and different workout for 8-pack abs. No, it is largely dependent whether you'll have a 6 or an 8-pack depending upon your genetics. So you cannot just rule out the factor of genetics. अब सवाल ये है कि जी Tiger is such a freaking dedicated actor and he has inspired and motivated millions of people on earth, but is this guy natural? इसके लिए हमें समझना पड़ेगा इनकी जेनेटिक प्रीडिस्पोजिशन, इनकी जेनेटिक बेसलाइन, जो कि अब तक हमने काफी हद तक समझ ली है. एंड नॉट ओनली दिस, आपको ये चीज भी देखनी पड़ेगी कि टाइगर वो अब अपनी प्यूबर्टी में नहीं है. ही इज फुली डेवलप्ड. इनफैक्ट अनदर फैक्टर टू कंसिडर इज दैट ही हैज बीन ट्रेनिंग फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम, इनफैक्ट इवन बिफोर हिज डेब्यू. इसके लिए मैं आपको लेके चल रहा हूं 2014 की मूवी जो कि थी हीरोपंती. Even in 2014, Tiger is in incredible shape. So I am taking this physique as a baseline, as a datum, where he is lean, close to single digit body fat, deep ab cuts, vascular arms. Yani this is someone who has trained for years before making his debut in Bollywood. So he would have exhausted most of his potentially new muscular reserves. So this is Tiger in 2014. And then we have a movie after 2 years in 2016 that was Baghi 1. And I would say he is not different from his previous 2014 role. The body composition looks similar. He has similar depth of ab cuts. He's not massive all of a sudden that you would say that he is suspicious in this movie in terms of muscle growth. He still has those V-cuts aka sex lines, and I would say there are no red flags yet. And then we have 2017 movie Munna Michael, and apparently what we can see is he is again carrying similar body composition. Even in this shot you can see similar muscle mass as he has been portraying in his previous roles. And this is a workout video of Tiger for his Munna Michael role. Of course he is under down lighting, so ये एक ऐसा setup होता है जो कि आपको lean दिखने में, impressive दिखने में favor करता है. In addition, he is all pumped up and he is doing biceps workout. So of course that favors a lot. But overall he hasn't made a drastic change. So still no red flags. And these were the shots from 2018 movie Baaghi 2, and apparently Tiger is looking bigger than his previous roles. However, हमें ये चीज यहाँ पे समझने की जरूरत है कि he is a bit soft here. He is not in a single digit body fat. And in fact, the ab cuts are not that deep, जैसे कि हमने हीरोपंती में देखे. He is comparatively less leaner as compared to his previous roles. और यही चीज आप इस मूवी की बिहाइंड द सीन्स में भी देख सकते हैं.
Well, physically the character demanded me to carry a lot more muscle. I had to learn a lot of different.
Here you can see he is looking softer. He is not even looking bigger in behind the scenes, especially when he is not fully pumped up. The reason he is looking big here is the fact he is keeping his body tight, all pumped up, plus the camera angles which makes him look a bit bigger. अब इसका हरगिज ये मतलब नहीं है कि सिर्फ और सिर्फ कैमरा एंगल्स या फिर लाइटिंग की वजह से यू लुक अ बिट बिगर. यस, दीज थिंग्स डू मैटर. इसकी मिसाल आप ऐसी समझें कि इफ यू आर लुकिंग इंप्रेसिव, सो दीज थिंग्स जस्ट लाइक कैमरा, लाइटिंग एंगल्स, दे कैन मेक यू लुक मोर इंप्रेसिव. यानी यस, these are important and in fact these are a thing. However, it is not the only thing. And then we have this post from Tiger's official IG account on 3rd September 2018. और यहाँ ये mention करते हैं hashtag student of the year 2, hashtag climax complete, exhausted BTS. So this is when he was shooting for student of the year 2. और इस picture में you can literally see that he is not that Tiger anymore. He is leaner and at the same time bigger as well. I would say he is 15 pounds heavier at least in this picture. But let's not assess based on the photos only. And I would agree that indeed Tiger has added a couple of pounds of lean tissue in his frame while being in single digit body fat. In fact, by looking at Tiger, I would say that in Student of the Year 2, Tiger is the most leanest out of all of his earliest roles. So अगर मैं बागी 2 को compare करूं Student of the Year 2 से, so of course Tiger is leaner for sure, and I would say he is at least 10 pounds heavier than his genetic baseline, जो कि हमने हीरोपंती, बागी 1 या फिर मुन्ना माइकल में देखी. उसके बाद मूवी आती है वॉर, और अगर आप वॉर और स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर 2 की शूटिंग डेट्स देखें तो ऐसा नहीं है कि इसमें साल, 1.5 साल या फिर 2 साल का फर्क था. इसमें लिटरली चंद महीनों का फर्क था. इसको लेके टाइगर के जो ट्रेनर हैं, इनका मेंस एक्सपी पे एक इंटरव्यू आया जिसका टाइटल था हियर इज हाउ टू गेट ए चिजल्ड बॉडी लाइक टाइगर श्रॉफ इन वॉर, एज टोल्ड बाय हिज ट्रेनर राजेंद्र ढोल और राजेंद्र ढोले. एनीहाउ, सो दिस इज टाइगर्स पोस्ट. Finally on my feet, lots of catching up to do. Hashtag final action schedule, Hrithik versus Tiger. All about Tiger's chiseled look in war. And here is Tiger working out.
strong.
अच्छा, यहाँ पे मेंशन है कि जी टॉकिंग टू मेंस एक्सपी, Tiger's fitness coach said that Tiger had to look pretty lean for his last movie, Student of the Year 2, since he was essaying the role of a student in the film. However, things changed once Tiger was signed up for war. Not only Tiger's workout regimen, but even his diet plan was revamped in the preparation of the movie. Tiger had to increase his lean muscle mass for war, and it took close to 5 to 6 months for them to achieve the desired look. The main reason being that it was pretty difficult for Tiger to gain 5 to 6 kgs of lean tissue. Yani this is coming out from someone who has been training for a very long time, I would say about a decade, and what they are trying to achieve is 5 to 6 kgs of lean tissue in just 5 to 6 months. Yani this is like 12 to 13 freaking pounds of muscle, lean tissue without gaining fat in just 5 to 6 months, wo bhi after training for a very long time, close to a decade. Anyhow, अच्छा जी आगे मेंशन करते हैं Tiger's workout regimen. Rajendra informed Men's XP that Tiger had to work out twice a day, once in the morning for 40 minutes, wherein he did slow cardio, and during his evening session, he would indulge in old school style heavyweight training. Slow cardio helped Tiger reduce his body fat from 10% to 6 to 7%. I don't think Tiger has been that low on a body fat. Anyhow, so this is from the movie War, and I don't think he's at 6% body fat. Of course, he's in single digits, but I don't think this is what 6% body fat exactly looks like. In fact, if I compare Tiger's physique with Student of the Year 2, so he doesn't look like he has added 5 to 6 kgs or 12 to 13 pounds of lean tissue in his frame. In some shots, he is looking similar to Student of the Year 2 role, having similar body composition and similar muscle mass. While in some shots, he is looking lighter than Student of the Year 2 character. And then we have Baghi 3 of 2020, and I would say in terms of body fat, he is of course in single digits, and over the years his muscle maturity has improved a lot. But it's not like he is 20 to 30 pounds heavier in Baghi 3. If you compare War with Baghi 3 side by side, so there is not much difference. Maybe a couple of pounds difference, but not a day and night difference. लेकिन इसको अगर आप कंपेयर करो हीरोपंती से, so there can be a difference of about 15 pounds of muscle in relation to lean muscle mass. So what do I think of Tiger Shroff's transformation over the years? देखें, जब मैं बात करता हूं the time until Munna Michael in 2017, I would say कि he was representing similar body composition, similar muscle mass. लेकिन जब हम बात करते हैं इवन बागी 2 की, बागी 2 में भी यस आप कह सकते हैं कि he was bigger but softer as well. So even in 2018, in fact by 2018 उनकी जो मूवी आई थी बागी 2, उस वक्त तक आप कह सकते हो कि yes, he is someone who has pretty good strength, pretty good muscle building genetics. So yes, he could have done it without making use of anything. लेकिन जब मैं बात करता हूं from 2018, especially when the preparation of Student of the Year 2 started, this was the time from Student of the Year 2 and onwards where Tiger is becoming more and more impressive. In fact, मुझे याद है कि there was an IG post, मुझे exact उसकी date याद नहीं है, but that was somewhere in mid 2018. Tiger was running around a corridor and he was literally looking like a freaking men's physique competitor. I mean, वो बंदा सिर्फ और सिर्फ चल रहा था and you could literally see that Christmas tree on his back. I don't know the exact date, but yes, that was somewhere in mid 2018 when especially Student of the Year 2 and War की preparation चल रही थी. So I personally think कि since that role, since 2018, Student of the Year and onwards, I think Tiger is making use of some of the hormonal assistance. Of course, not in a very high doses, just like guys like John Abraham in Bollywood. I would say in minor doses, in low doses. और वैसे भी why not? I mean, he has one of the best team when it comes to acrobatics, when it comes to bodybuilding coach, when it comes to strength coach. He has the best team of doctors, everybody on earth, so why not? I mean, again, I'm not trying to justify the use of anabolics in his case, but आप ये चीज देखें कि people, guys like him, they are earning like millions of rupees or maybe in dollars a freaking year. So you have like everything. So आप किसको क्या जस्टिफाई करोगे कोई चीज ना यूज करके? अब इस पे देखें, एक आर्ग्यूमेंट ये भी बन सकता है कि जी कोई आर्ग्यू कर सकता है कि about 15 pounds of muscle or close to 10 to 15 pounds of muscle is not a big deal. आपको उसके लिए anabolics क्यों यूज करने पड़ेंगे? Maybe Tiger is in a lot of acrobatics, flexibility, dancing and these type of stuff. तो हो सकता है कि these things maybe they are hindering his muscle building ability. Yes, I can buy that. But what about the fact कि he is doing a lot of stunts, he is involved in dancing, in acrobatics, and at the same time he is gaining 10 to 15 pounds of muscle, pure muscle, not only freaking fat, no single fat. In addition, Tiger की जो पहली movie आई थी, that was in 2014. उस वक्त भी he was in an incredible shape. At least he would have been training for at least 5 years, considering good genetics and other stuff. So by 2020 जब इनकी last movie just like War आती है, फिर बागी 3 आती है, so he would have trained at least for 10 years. So somebody who has been training for over 10 years, involving in dozens of stuff, flexibility, acrobatics, orgy stunts, dancing, on the top of that, they are gaining 10 to 15 pounds without gaining any freaking fat in just a matter of 5 to 6 months, then where is the freaking recovery? Again, at the end of the day, ये मेरा अपना opinion है, ये मेरा अपना assessment है, आप इससे agree or disagree in fact कर सकते हैं. And again, nothing to take anything away in terms of his hard work, consistency, dedication, motivation. And in fact, he is someone who has motivated and inspired millions of people on earth. And this is what makes Tiger Shroff. If you find this video helpful, make sure you let me know by leaving a comment and a thumbs up below. See you guys.